In this video, we are going to learn Pandas series in the Pandas library. Before jumping into the code, let me explain what is meant by Pandas series. A Pandas series is nothing but a column which can hold values of different data types, and it can have some index. Using those index, we can able to fetch the values from the columns. Now let we do some coding of Pandas series. In order to use Pandas library, first of all, we should import the library called Pandas, and I am imported Pandas as X. Now in the place of Pandas, I can able to use X. First, let me take an array. I am taking an array as 1, 2, 3, or else 1 to X. Now let me create the Pandas series. X dot series. Inside that, we want to specify our array. Now this array will be acting like a column with some index values. Now let me run the code. After running, here you can able to see in the second column we are getting the array which is we given as an input. In first column we are getting the index value. Using this index value, we can able to fetch the particular values. These index values are also called as labels. Now let me try to fetch the values from the column. Now I want to fetch the value X. This can be done using the index. That means the index of X is 2. Now I can able to get output as 2. Sorry, X. Here you can see the output is X. Using this index values or these label values, you can able to get the column values. That means the second column values. We can also create our own labels, or else it is also called as index. We can able to create our own index instead of 0 and 1. This index values or the label value will be created default if you don't specify the label in series function. If you want to specify your own index values, like it should be like X, Y, Z, you can specify here like index equal to, you should give in the form of an array. I am giving index value as X, Y, and Z. Now let me print the, now let's see the output. Here default it will be like 0, 1 and 2. If you mention like this index equal to, you can get the index value as X, Y, and Z. If you want to fetch the value called 2, you can use the index of Y like this. Now the output will be like 2. Let's see. Yes, we get output as 2. Now let me try some other input like, now let me try instead of array, let me try it as like tuple. Let's see whether we are getting the output or not. Here we are getting the output. Now let me try with set. Set is nothing but a collection of values which have distinct values. That means it have only the distinct values and it does not have any duplicates. Now let me run the code. While using set, we are getting an error. The error is called as unordered error. Let's see what it's saying. In line 5 module, S is equal to X dot series. Package site in init raise type error. We are getting the type error. We can't able to use a set in the series. Now let we try the key value pair, which is nothing but the dictionary, also called as object. I'm giving key values as 1 and value as 2, 2 key value b. This is a dictionary I have created. Now we can also create another value like key value is 3 and the value is c. Now instead of giving our own index, let we eliminate this and let we check whether it is printing or not. Here it successfully prints. Like here the key data will be taken as index data, or here 1 2 3 will be the first column and the ABC will be the second column. Key data will be acting like an index or label, and the value data will be acting like value, that is in the second column as an data. Now let we try to give our own index. Let's check whether it works or not. Let we give index values as ABC, or else let we give as L M N. Now let me run the code whether it works or not. Here see, it is not working because while I'm giving the my own index values or the labels, it is giving like NaN. It is a data type, numeric data type, which is nothing. Whereas I given input as in the form of dictionary, but I'm getting the wrong output. In order to use, whenever you're using a dictionary, don't mention your index because you already mentioned the index values in the dictionary itself. So it's not necessary to mention your value here. If you mention, you will not get the correct output. Now you can able to get the correct output. Now let me try the other way. Like we can take the array. Now let me check whether the count of index value and the value, that means the a value and the index value should be same, the count should be same or not. Here the first column, that means the index value length is 2, but the length of second column, that means the data column is count is 3. Let me check whether it will give the correct output or there may be any changes. See, it's giving an error like in line 5 module in raise value error. See here, the length of positive values is 3, index values implies 2. In this we can understand that the index values and the data values, that means the column 1 values and the column 2 values should have the same length, otherwise it will create an error. Now let me give the length as 3. Now the column 1 and column 2 have both have same length. It will execute correctly.